Hello, here we have to multiply the polynomials x squared plus 1 times negative 2x squared plus x minus 1. So this is equal to the first term x squared times the whole expression negative 2x squared plus x minus 1. And the second is positive 1 times again the whole expression. So we have to multiply both of them to see what's the answer. Okay, so this is equal x squared times this expression is x squared times negative 2 is negative 2, x with exponent 4 because 2 plus 2 is 4, plus x squared times x is x cubed, minus x squared times 1 is x squared, equal here. Now all of this expression times 1, any of this is the same. Okay, so you're gonna copy negative 2x squared plus x minus 1. So finally we have to work both answers because you have to we are multiplying this with all of this expression and this second element of term with this all of this expression. So the whole expression we have to operate twice. We have to do twice, 1 and 2. So the first answer is going to be equal, the full answer. Negative 2x with exponent 4, you don't have any similar terms, you just copy negative 2x with exponent 4. So you finish with 4s, with the number 4. Now with the number 3, when you don't have exponent is 1, but you don't have any other with number 3, with exponent 3, you just copy plus x cubed. Very good. Now with exponent 2, this is negative 1, this is negative 2, negative 1, and negative 2 is negative 3, x squared. Very good. Finally plus x, finally minus 1. So that's the final answer. That is the correct answer. All of this expression, the whole expression. This expression has 5 terms. Okay, so why it has 5 terms? Because we solved, we reduced expressions, we applied the rules of similar terms, and we found the solution. This is in order, and this is the complete solution. Now let's work the next case. Look at this. We are going to apply similar rule. So negative 3x squared, I'm going to multiply a negative 1 too. We are going to multiply with the full expression. Negative 1 plus 2x plus 2x plus 2x plus x squared plus x squared. We close the parentheses and we multiply. Okay, so negative 3x squared and negative 1 is positive 3x squared. Negative and positive now is negative. 3 times 2 is 6. X squared times x is x cubed. Now negative and positive is negative. 3 times x squared is 3x fourth. Now any expression with negative 1, when you multiply, you just copy the same with different symbols. Plus 1 minus 2x minus x squared. Okay. Now we have to operate both solutions to find the complete and the final answer. So these are equal, so we have to operate these two answers. All of this. Okay. Now exponent 4, I'm gonna look at the exponent 4, negative 3x4, you don't have any other expression, you just copy negative 3x with exponent 4. So when you use that, when you just cancel. Now negative exponent 3, here is exponent 3, you don't have any of them, you just copy the same and you cancel. You don't need now, you already Exponent 2, you have 3, minus 2 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. When it's 0, you don't need to write even exponent 2. So you just cancel all of them. 3 minus 2 is 1, minus 1 is 0. And finally, it was left plus 1. So this is your final answer. Your answer is a trinomial of 3 terms, an expression of 3 terms. Okay? This is we are working today polynomials, remember. There are many forms or methods to work this topic, but I'm trying to work with the easiest to show you that this topic is not difficult. Now we have to multiply the expression. I'm going to multiply these expressions, each one with a whole of this. So the first is a squared. I'm going to write down here a squared times, and the second is negative b squared times. So a squared, I'm going to copy all of this, a squared plus b squared minus 2a minus 2a, b, and we have to multiply. A squared times a squared is a fourth. A squared times b squared, a squared b squared. Minus from here, 2. A squared times ab is a cube b. Next, minus a squared, b squared, a squared. I'm going to write an order, a squared, b squared. Minus and positive and negative is negative. B squared times b squared is b with exponent 4. B squared times negative 2 ab cube. Okay, because b squared with b is b cube. Now we have to operate both solutions. Both. Okay, this is equal. Remember? Now we have to review and apply how to reduce similar terms. That topic. Exponent 4. A with exponent 4. We don't have any of them, just with a exponent 4, you just copy. When you copy, you say, oh, okay, I work already this. Here we have a cube. Now with a cube, you don't have any other with a cube, you just copy. Minus 2a cube b. All right. A squared. Here we have a squared b squared in negative a squared b squared. Remember, we have plus 1 and negative 1 is 0. When it's 0, you just cancel both of them. Okay, you don't need to write down anything. With a is gonna be negative 2a b cube. Negative 2a b cube. And with all letter a is finally negative b with exponent 4. So remember, when you solve, you just have to make sure that you have to count and you have to check that you already operate with the whole numbers. Okay, so your answer is going to be polynomial, 4 terms. Also, your answer, you have to remember positive and negative is 0. When it's 0, you don't need to write a square and b square. Okay.